Welcome to this video on launching your future in SAP Sales and Distribution in the Delhi NCR region. We will explore how this career path serves as a powerful catalyst for your professional transformation. Organizations are rapidly shifting to SAP ERP and S/4HANA to streamline their operations. As a result, there is high demand for skilled professionals to manage the sales and distribution core, which governs the entire sales cycle and payment tracking. SAP SD acts as the central node of business automation. By integrating with modules like materials management, finance, production planning, and warehouse management, it enables organizations to achieve seamless, end-to-end operational efficiency. The order-to-cash process is a comprehensive blueprint. It spans 4 critical nodes: foundation for master data and pricing, initiation for the sales process, movement for shipping and delivery, and conclusion for billing and invoicing. Upgrading to the next generation standard involves mastering business partner configuration, navigating SAP Fiori applications for a better user experience, and leveraging advanced S/4HANA features for real-time data processing. Whether you are a business professional, a tech veteran, or a fresh graduate, the SAP ecosystem offers unique advantages. You can leverage your existing domain knowledge or start fresh with structured training to transition into this specialized field. The Delhi NCR region provides a strategic advantage through its proximity to major multinational firms. Training here offers expert mentorship, practical validation through live projects, and a clear bridge to employment. Combining S/4HANA and SD expertise with the dynamic Delhi NCR corporate ecosystem leads to an accelerated career trajectory. This functional specialization commands attractive salary packages and provides significant long-term growth across diverse industries.